In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make neon texts in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to give any text that bold, glowing look that jumps off the screen, all with just a few clicks. Start by opening your project in Canva. This can be any design you're already working on: social post, thumbnail, poster, or presentation. Once your design is open, click to select the text you want to turn into neon. Make sure you actually have the text box active. You'll know it's selected when you see the blue boundary around it and the text editing toolbar appears at the top. With the text selected, look up to the toolbar and click Effects. If you don't see effects right away, it usually means the text isn't selected, so just click on the text again. On smaller screens, effects may be tucked into an expandable menu, but it's always available as long as your text box is active. Inside Effects, choose Neon. The moment you click it, Canva applies a soft glow around your letters, giving that signature neon style. You'll see a slider labeled Intensity. Drag this to fine-tune the glow. A higher intensity creates a brighter, more dramatic bloom around your text, while a lower intensity gives a cleaner, more subtle glow. If your design has a lot of small details, a medium intensity often keeps the text crisp while still glowing. It can help to zoom out briefly to see how the glow reads at actual viewing size, then come back and adjust. Next, set the color of your neon. In Canva, the neon effect takes on whatever color your font is, so simply change the font color to change the neon color. Click the text color tool and pick the hue you want. Vibrant tones like electric blue, hot pink, bright purple, or lime green tend to feel the most neon, but you can choose any color that fits your design. Subtle shifts, like moving from a cool blue to a slightly greener teal, can make a big difference in mood without changing the overall look. As you tweak, pay attention to contrast. Neon text will appear more intense against darker or more muted backgrounds, and a bit more restrained against very light backgrounds. That isn't a problem, just something to keep in mind so your message stays readable. And that's it. Open your project, select your text, go to Effects, click Neon, adjust the intensity, and choose your color. With those steps, you can quickly transform ordinary text into a striking neon headline or accent. Have fun experimenting, and enjoy that glow.